Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to be taking a look at a 2017 Ford Transit. Let's start right away up front. On the front end you have a nice chrome grille. We're going to take a look down the passenger side. You have alloy wheels. Those are wrapped with Continental tires. Inside, cloth interior. We're going to take a look in the back as well. You do, of course, have plenty of seating, plenty of room for the whole family. We're going to take one more look down the passenger side, then we're going to swing around to the back end. You have rear backup sensors and a camera on the back. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of Highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Inside, you have cruise as well as audio controls. Full stereo, that includes a CD player. Climate control, and your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Transit on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report that is provided by AutoCheck. All of this and more at holidayautomotive.com.